Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And keep watching to see how I achieve this beautiful, flawless look. I did go ahead and did my eyes off camera and my eyebrows, but if you guys would like to see a video on how I got these flicky brows, let me know in the comments down below and I will post that video for you guys. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using my Melani foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my foundation brush. I got this brush at TJ Maxx, I believe. They weren't expensive. I got a whole set. It was like $12. It was pretty great for the price. Oh, and by the way, I did do my hair myself. I recently did the big chop in the beginning of the year, so my hair's pretty short, but it's long enough for me to be able to grip it and do this hairstyle. Alright, next I'm going to be using my two concealers. I have the 165 one and the 180. They're both from Melani, and I usually start with the darker one, the 180. And just to have a brighter look, I usually just go over it again with the 165. Yeah, 165. And for this look, I'm going to be using this beauty blender. I also got this at TJ Maxx, and it was just a big set, and it's been really useful. And I also think it was $12 as well. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm using the color 35 Deep. Next, I'm going to be using my RK by Kiss contouring palette, and I'm going to be using all four of these colors for my contour. Next, I'm going to be using this powder that I got from my beauty supply store, and it was on sale, and it was the only one they had, and it's amazing. For dark skins, it's amazing. I've never used this powder before, and I picked it up, and I've never seen this brand before. And I'm going to be using that to just put everything together. I'm gonna go back with my foundation brush and just dab it all around my face. Alright, I'm gonna go back in with this palette just to kind of like harshen up my contour a little bit. Back to the palette and contour my nose. Now I'm gonna go with this Ellen Tracy blush. I've never actually used it. I just recently bought it like this week. And let's see. It's too light. I'm just gonna go back with this one. I feel like it's too light. I don't really like it. I'm gonna use the powder to just kind of take out this pink look out. Next, I'm going to be using this Melani highlighter. I got this as a gift and I love it. I've been using it for a while now. So it looks all broken, but
just gonna put some on my chin, on my forehead.
And I'm going to be using another one of my brush set and use that for my brow bone. Yes, I'm using a eyeshadow brush just because it does the job, so. I'm going to be using Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I'm going to top it off with Ashley Lee lip gloss.
My lip gloss is not there. My lip gloss. I don't know the rest of the words.
Next, I'm just going to spray my face with the what's the top? With the Melani Make It Do. I actually was looking for the regular one. I didn't really want the dewy one, but I found this one and I was desperate, so I got it. But I might go back and get the regular one. This is the final look. I'm going to go ahead and change my clothes. I will be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. I went ahead and changed it to this cute top because I'm starving, and yeah, I'm just gonna go to Chipotle right now and get me some food. If you know me, you know Chipotle's where it's at. That's where it's at. Anyways, yeah, this is the final look. If you guys like this video, if you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Filming myself, I love it, but I'm hungry, so